Oh my gosh, look at it. Babe, look at it. It's glowing. HDR. Oh, that is sick. What's going on, guys? It's Marcus, and today, as you can see from the title and from what you see in front of you, yes, we are going to unbox the brand new PlayStation 5. And this right here, we actually have in-house the full disc version, so not the digital one, but the disc version. And then I also picked up an additional controller here as well. So we have two controllers. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right to it. All right, I'm gonna get my unboxing knife. All right, let's get to the top here. So at the top, as you can see, we have this little seal here. This is a really, by the way, just want to put this points out here. This is a very heavy box. I mean, this thing is heavy. But anyways, so let's go ahead and break the seal. Getting chills already, gosh. Oh! All right, here we go. Okay, so let's pull this out. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, let's go put this right here. And we got little tabs here that you pull. It says put this on the side, so we're gonna lay this on the side. Okay, I hope I got it right. I hope I got it right side up. Probably some cords in here, what it feels like. So lay this over here. Lay it right here. And then I feel it. This is it. Oh baby. Oh yeah. Oh, it's PlayStation. I just noticed that. It has PlayStation logo on the box. That's cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, and here it is. Yo, first impressions of this thing already. This thing is huge. This is one of the biggest consoles, if not the biggest console I have ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. Oh my, look at this thing. Oh, wow. This thing is monstrously huge. Oh my gosh. And here's the front of it. And of course, here's the disk drive. Right there. USB-C. What is that? USB. It's probably like the power button and probably the eject button. Man, oh. The texture feels pretty great on this thing too. And on the back, the vents. We got, this like that's USB 3.0 right there. Like this Ethernet and the power, and then another, the HDMI right here. And then also, from what I've seen from other videos, the sides off, it exposes another, I'm not trying to make this thing slide. It exposes an SSD slot for you to expand the storage. Because right now, as you can see from the box, you only get 825 gigs. So I'm probably going to end up upgrading this thing later on. I'm going to put this right here. Oh man, this thing is heavy too. Oh yeah. So this looks to be cords and whatnot. Alright, yep, here's the power cable. So this one does not have an external brick. I'm glad they got rid of that because the things are annoying. And then some quick start guides, you know. Quick start guides. As for what my favorite YouTuber says, plug in file it. Oh my, okay, so let me just finish out the rest of this. Yes, the stand. So I've been seeing on Reddit and a lot of the Facebook groups, you know, a lot of PlayStations have not had the stand with the PlayStation inbox, but as you can see, I got pretty lucky, so I have the stand with me right here. Oh my, yo, seeing this thing again, this thing is tall as I don't know what. Oh my gosh. And we got the HDMI here. Now, as we can see from the box here, this console does support full 8K, 4K at 60 frames per second, and full-on HDR. And as you can see, I have my 4K TV right there. If you want to show the TV, so I'm gonna hook it up right there, see how that looks. Now, let's get to the second most important thing, the controller. Wow. Look at that. Take that hair out. Wow. This controller feels pretty good. It has adaptive triggers and all that stuff. So it has the microphone on the bottom, speaker on the top. I believe this thing, it should still be touch. I believe that. And then on the back to charge it, USB-C. And just from feeling this thing right now, yeah, this thing feels pretty amazing. Yeah, I like this. While we're here, let's go ahead and put this right here. Let's go ahead and open up this. So this is just another controller that I picked up, standard. So let's go ahead and open this. Well, I know what's coming in, so let's do that. Okay. Let's go ahead and take it out like so, or maybe not. There we go. Okay. Vanilla box, and then another controller. Cool. Alright, so we got both controllers here. Now, I am missing one thing. Where is the charger for the PlayStation controller? It's hiding in the cord box. So it does come with a charger in the box. So that's cool. It's a nice USB-C cable to USB-A. So I guess I'll just plug in, probably in the back. I'll probably put it in the back just to make the front look clean. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for checking out this video. In the later videos, I'm gonna have my review of it. It'll come out within the next month or so of how I feel about the PS5. I'm keeping it, of course, I ain't giving this thing nowhere. Staying with me. But then again, please like, comment, and subscribe below. It's your boy. You guys have a great day or great night whenever you guys are watching this. And peace.